The Pretty Circles are located approximately 5 miles north of the city of Wells, in the parish of East Harptree. They are thought to be Neolithic henges built around the same time as the more well-known Stonehenge in Wiltshire, over 4,000 years ago. There are 4 circles, 3 clearly visible from above, spread over 3/4 of a mile, placed in a nearly straight line, with the 4th circle over 350 metres to the north of the other 3. The enclosures range in diameter from 185 metres to 194 metres, and have external rather than internal ditches, a feature that makes them quite unique in Britain. The 2 round barrow cemeteries, Ashen Hill and Priddy Nine Barrows, located just south of the circles, along with numerous examples of individual round, bowl and long barrows, would suggest that the area of Priddy held great ritual significance for most of the Bronze Age period. To the south of the Pretty Circles are the Pretty Pools. A 52-hectare area designated a site of special scientific interest. The Pretty Pools support a rich fauna of invertebrates, amphibians and insects. There are over 15 species of dragonfly having been recorded at this location, including the only population of the downy emerald dragonfly to be found in the Mendips. Please comment and like our videos, and if you want to see more, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell.